stop playing with him.
Jadavinci in his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
No breakfast in bed, give me that head. Eat it like dessert and we gon' need a new spread. Cause I don't care what you think. Cause I got all this money on me. Burn tree, get green like guacamole. Cash cry like a pie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Jadavinci. I'm tardy to the party, but it's okay if you're tardy as long as you arrive. I literally just left Sephora. We're gonna just be doing a full face of Fenty. I'm gonna start off with her Rihanna Pro Filt'r foundation base, like the primer, because I really never have given this a full shot. Bring it down her neck. Today's foundation that I'm gonna be using, of course, is Fenty Beauty, but I'm gonna use the shade 330 and putting it all over my face. If you watch any of my videos, I'm here for full coverage, but like by the end of the makeup, you don't know that like I have on so much makeup, you know? Right now, this is turning to be a fairly decent shade. I got two concealers. One of the concealers is 330, so it's the shade of my foundation. So instead of really going in with another whole coat of foundation, I'm going to try the concealer. So we're gonna go in with the shade 330, which is the shade of our foundation. The packaging is super cute. They're all pretty uniform. It doesn't look like the same shade as my foundation, but you know. But yeah, the packaging, I'm really here for the packaging. It's very minimalistic, very cute. So I'm gonna just put the concealer all over areas that I need additional help. The concealer is a bit lighter than the foundation itself. When I watched other people's videos, they were like, oh, you know your foundation, you know your concealer shade because of the foundation, blah, blah, blah. But you really just have to take the time to try it yourself, because you literally have to try it yourself. But it almost makes my foundation shade nice. It makes me have a nice foundation shade. But yeah, we're gonna just blend it in. So far it looks good. I don't have any complaints. My blemishes aren't completely covered, but it looks good. Like, it looks good. What I'm about to do right now is I'm gonna do my brows, then I'm gonna come back and highlight and contour with the Fenty products. So give me 1 second while I do my brows, and I'll be. We're gonna take Rihanna's Nude, and this is huge, by the way. Like, this is super big. I got the shade Banana. We have this little filter top, but I like to get everything together. For the concealer, we're gonna use the shade 300 because we've already used 330 on our face. I actually love it with the 330 foundation because the 330 foundation is personally a little tan. Like, you see, it's a little tan for me, but with the 330 concealer, which is a bit lighter, it kind of neutralized everything. I'm trying to see, do I want to highlight first or do I want to contour? Because I have the matchstick in the shade Mocha, and we're going to contour our face with that. But ooh, I'm putting a lot on. I don't even know if I need this much. But this is a nice shade. Let's bring it up the middle of our forehead. Blends out cool. Let's do under our eyes. I'm so silly. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded, but y'all, girl's been busy. Real life busy. Really thinking about quitting my gym, y'all, so we're gonna see. Yeah, so it blends out nice. Like, I'm not having any issues at all blending out the concealer. I mean, I normally don't have problems blending out concealer. However, some concealer dries extremely fast, kind of leaves little blotchy patches, but it's blending out really good. Before I set it and stuff, I think I'm gonna go over it one more time with a bit more concealer, but I'm gonna do that after I contour my face. To contour my nose, I'm gonna use Truffle. Contouring is very much optional. You don't have to contour. When I say extra, you say yes. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. And then after you blend it, if you see that you need some more highlight down your nose, just go on ahead and add it. I know you've seen all these reviews and they're telling you to get it, so why haven't you gotten it yet? Or you're like me and you just, like, you know, tardy to the party. That's fine too. Usually a girl have real life bills to pay. You'll do what you'll do. I'm using this ultra tiny brush. I would highly not recommend you use something so foolish to blend out such a large area. Rihanna, go on ahead and send me your brushes, because your girl could not get them. I could not get everything. So we're gonna put a bit more down our nose. We're gonna put some more under our eye, and then we'll put a little under our contour. Okay. blend out the contour, the highlight down here. This makeup is really fun and you can do whatever you want. Don't ever let anyone tell you, you've got too much of this on or whatever, you know, like just do your boo, do your boo. All right. So we got the shade Banana. It smells good. It smells like cake batter or Play-Doh. You get a lot of setting powder. So for $32, you get a nice looking setting powder. You get a lot of setting powder. Sometimes I'd be pissed off, like, why did I buy that? But this is, I actually like it. I really don't need any more setting. I don't really need any more setting powder, y'all. This under eye is beginning to craze as I'm playing with the setting powder. And there's nothing on the brush. Yo, I can dig it. So far, it looks really good. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, like my bronzer, a little bit of blush, and then I'm gonna come back and do my highlighter because I have the Fenty highlighter. But right now, I'm gonna finish my face and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so for our highlighter, we're gonna go in with Stone Cold. Oh, this highlight in her Killawatt is ridiculous. It's like a Facetune in real life type of deal. If that's what you're looking for. I know a lot of people are in 2019, so this gives you Facetune but in real life. Down the bridge of my nose, I'm going down with Hustler Baby because this is a nice natural looking one. And we just kind of make it on the side. Lastly, we're gonna set our face. I'm using Fenty Beauty Gloss. Uh-oh. Lastly, I'm gonna put on my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You can go with some lashes if you'd like, but I really don't want to. I'm gonna put on my mascara and I'm gonna be right back. So ultimately, let me get a good look at myself before I give you my final opinion. The concealer is definitely not crease proof because I have a bit on my lids, and yeah, it's creasing a little, but when you set it, you're good. I'm digging what I see. I use the foundation shade 330, as you guys could tell, and at first 330 was a bit tan for me, even though I like to appear tan. The concealer shade 330 helped kind of make everything look like my shade, so that was cool because I was expecting the 330 to kind of be spot on with the 330 foundation, and it's not. So if you found that your foundation shade was too dark for you, I would say get the concealer shade as well. Then it'll help neutralize everything out. For my concealer under my eyes to help brighten it, I used the shade 300. I was kind of debating on 310 and 300, and 300 was a great color for me. I'm super pleased with how my face has turned out. I think I will be putting more Fenty Beauty in my everyday makeup routine. I will be using these concealers. I like how everything looks consistent. The foundation and the concealers look consistent with each other. I think it's pretty affordable. Thing, it was $32, but this shit is huge. Like, this thing is really big. I'm just looking at it, like when I saw it in Sephora, I was like, damn, it looks like you get a lot in here. So I feel like I'll be having this for some time. I mean, it's worth a try, you know? Go to Sephora with no makeup on your face and just do your whole face with Fenty Beauty. See if you like it there and then make your decision. Off the back, the concealers are not full coverage. They're buildable, so they can become a full coverage. My face does not look cakey at all, and my face looks really good. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'm just playing with my hair. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections below. If you want to tell me how about my skin looks, I love that too. Leave that in the comment sections below. And let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great week. Because I will. I might not, but we're all going to try to do our best. See you guys next time. Bye.
No breakfast in bed. Give me that head. Eat it like dessert and we gon' need a new spread. Cause I don't care what you think. Cause I got all this money on me. Burn tree, get green like guacamole. Cash crowd like a pilot. I like a